Hey Alice, so I'm taking you outside to show you the blizzard. Basically, here it is. This is my walkway. As you can see, it's very snowy. These are all the cars buried, and it's really windy, which makes it difficult. That's my mom saying I'm not helping, but I am. These are the bushes. And basically it's insane. And this is the bastard snow that's keeping me from you, which is not okay.
Danielle did nothing!
I shoveled later on.
She shoveled nothing!
Yeah, this is my porch.
These
are people shoveling.
That was all Eliana. That was all Eliana.
Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the blizzard tour. I'm gonna go do some shoveling, which I did already.
You did not do any. She's not gonna do it. She's lying.
And I will talk to you later.